Today we are going to learn how to start writing an article on Blasting News. First, choose the right category for your article. Secondly, write the title and the subtitle of your article. Then write the body of your article following these 3 tips. Divide your article into at least 2 paragraphs and start each of them with a subheadline. To do so, highlight the sentence you want to make a subheadline and click on the H2 button. Bold 2 to 3 important sentences or keywords per paragraph. Insert at least 2 links to other Blasting News articles. Highlight the sentence you want to link and click on the Insert a Link button. Here, we will automatically suggest you some links wherever possible. If not, make a quick search on Blasting News using the main keyword of your article. Once you have found the perfect related article to link, copy and paste the address of the article and click OK. This is a mandatory step that will help you gain more views from other Blasting News pages and make your article more informative. To make your article more engaging, embed Facebook posts, tweets, or YouTube videos. Your readers will appreciate it, and they will be more likely to read other articles of yours in the future. Insert at least 1 tag for your article. You should tag your main keyword of your article. Insert the source of your article. It can be yourself, where you click the button I am the source, or it can be the address of another website. Now the last step, upload a picture. Once you click on the Upload a Picture button, you will automatically find pictures suggested by Blasting News. You can choose one of them, or you can upload your own picture from your laptop. Once you have chosen your picture, add a caption for it and credit the author of the piece. Remember to follow this standard. When you are satisfied, click on the I'm Done button. On the right bar of your screen, you have the possibility to ask for a boost to our social media influencers, or to automatically share your article on social media. Remember to follow the golden rules you find at the top of your screen. And now you're done. Send your article for approval and wait for feedback from the Senior Blaster team. Depending on the day and time, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. You'll receive an email with the editor's feedback as soon as it's being reviewed. To know the status of any article, you can check your article list. Just click on List of News and Audio News, and on the filters, change the status to Under Review, Published, or even All Articles. Then press Send. Leaving your mouse over the icon will show the description of each status.